I'm going to quickly show you how to fix the phone number issue in Call of Duty, so make sure to follow my steps. First of all, you need to ensure that you have the Steam launcher not running in the background, so right click on the Windows taskbar and select Task Manager. Now go to the search, type in Steam. After that, make sure to right click on it and select End Task. Go to the upside arrow appearing in the Windows taskbar and ensure the icon is not appearing anymore. If you do find it, make sure to right click on it and select Exit Steam. Wait for a couple of seconds. Now relaunch the Steam launcher. You will be automatically redirected to the store, so go to the top left corner and select the Steam logo. After that, click on Check for Steam client updates. It will check by if you do have an older version. A download button should be appearing next to the close button, so make sure to follow up with the process in order to update your client. Otherwise, select close. After that, go to the profile and select manage icon. Now select account details. From here, you should scroll down and select manage your phone number. Scroll all the way down. Make sure to verify your number, so you can just select remove number and then add it again, or you can just change it if you do have another one. Try that and hopefully the problem is fixed. Now once you do that, go to the library and select collections. Look for your Call of Duty game. If you do have it installed, because I don't, select this gear icon and click on properties. After that, go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. That way, any problem that is related to some type of bugs or glitch that may happen will be automatically fixed. Just wait for the process to finish. After that, you can close all of this and you can try going to the Windows icon, restarting your computer. After that, see if the problem is gone. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.